things in life, and I want to share those things with all the young, aspiring people. Not everybody that you know and not everybody who is following me comes on these chats. I usually have 50, 70, 80, 100 people. So that means there are many people out there who still believe that baad mein dekh lenge. So hi Shweta, I'm glad Shweta, you're also here today. Shweta is my other cousin from Delhi. Hi. Great. So shall we start? Where did we leave off yesterday? Yesterday we had done 3 steps. Step 1 was have a goal. Step 2 was write it down. I have on my story shared very few of the goals people who have sent me and shared. But I have got almost 50-60 questions on asking me, how do you write goals? So today what I decided is I'm going to start out by reading out to you a few of the goals that I have written in my vision book, in my dream goal, in my aspirations, in my things that I always wish to do, in my goal post. So if you guys want to take some notes, you could write it down. I'm going to read it out from my book. So in the physical section, I have written, I exercise every day for 30 minutes to stay fit and agile. I also walk for 30 minutes. That is one of the physical goals. The second one is I eat healthy food, more of salads and greens. I weigh 80 kilos. My waistline is 34. I always smell good. I wash my hands often. I drink at least 2 liters of water every day. So these are few of my physical goals that I have written. So if you want to get started by writing those. In my mental, I have written, I learn from every step and every person I meet. My second thing is, I complete what I start. I don't leave my things halfway. I have also written something which is very beautiful. I would like to teach you this. It's called the sunk cost fallacy. Sunk cost fallacy means we all err sometimes. We all make a mistake. We all do things that we later on regret. I wish I had not done this. And then what happens is we stick on to that decision of ours. Giving a small story, I say that I was once in Delhi. It was the month of October. Winter was just beginning and I was walking across the M Block market and I saw a beautiful brown shirt hanging in a showroom. I picked up that shirt and I asked him how much is it for. He said it's for 5,000. And I asked him that you put up a sale board. He said yes, it is for 2,500. I bought that shirt for 2,500. This shirt, when I bought it to Bombay and I wore it once, which was in the month of November, I felt it was pricking me everywhere. It was like quite itchy. It wasn't going well with my my skin type probably, but I still decided to wear it. I was very uncomfortable, so I told my wife कि क्या यार ये shirt से बहुत खारिश हुई. She said this is for Delhi, this is for winters, you shouldn't have worn it now. I said चलो okay, we'll keep it, I'll wear it for New Year's. I wore it on New Year's and the entire New Year's, like Mahesh Bhatt, I was scratching myself all over again and again, uncomfortable. My mother said this is not for here, जहाँ पर बर्फ गिरती है वहाँ पर. 6 months later, I went to America in May and June and I took that shirt to America. I wore it there and I felt the same. But when I came back to India, I put the shirt back in my cupboard. This thing happened almost 12 years back. It's a brown shirt. I still have it in my wardrobe. Now, what do you think I should have done with that shirt the day I realized it is not something of use to me? My mind does not allow me to believe कि क्योंकि मैंने अपने पसंद से ये शर्ट खरीदी that I should throw it away. I could not give it to anybody also. And to err is human. To believe that I messed up, I should have removed it there and then the minute or rather I should have left it in the US only, or if I bought it back, I should have given it to somebody here who could probably wear it because of his skin types. So this is how we cling on to a lot of clutter in our houses, in our wardrobes. We buy shoes which we believe don't suit us, don't fit us, don't suit us, they don't match. We buy multiple things that we believe out of impromptu, instant gratification, as I call it, and then we don't use it. So yes, sunken cost fallacy is something that I'm working on, and I will move on with the mistakes that I ever believe I have made some. In the mental area, I've also written, I enjoy my own company alone. I don't have to be with somebody to enjoy. In the social section, in family, I am in harmony with all my family members, including my mother, my wife, and my now two beautiful daughters. So that is in my social area. My social areas, I celebrate parties quite often, celebrating life at my home and outside too. I spend at least 30% of my time trying to be of help to others. This is very, very social, important obligation I have for myself. So these are just a few tips. You don't have to write exactly what I am telling you. You can write whatever you believe will suit you, or this is what you want to do. In the emotional, I have written, I enjoy the process or the journey of whatever I am doing rather than the goal. The goal just makes it exciting. So I am beginning to enjoy it. I sing regularly whenever I get a chance. कोई सुने ना सुने, मैं खुद तो गाता हूँ. In the spiritual area, I meditate every day at least for 30 minutes. This is for my regular lifestyle. So this is not during this quarantine days. I do seva, like I said the other day, in my Guruji's ashram consistently for at least 10% of the year. In the professional, we all have our own aspirations. I have mine. So I will not give you much example. Also in the country, people were asking me today, somebody wrote to me, sir, what is it that you can do in social? So in social, there is a lot you can write. What I have written is that I see India being run by a very strong political leader who works with a lot of dedication. I've also written the Indian rupee becomes as powerful in the as the other international currencies. All the villagers in India are educated and they are living in abundance. Most importantly, when I walk out of home, my desire is to see more smiling faces. So I have a shop in Zaveri Bazaar, and close to 100,000 people walk outside the street every single day. And when I sit in the glass, look at the glass and I look at their faces, most of them are gloomy. I rarely come across smiling faces, which is what I would like to see. More people smiling, waving at each other. I wish and aspire to see a more happier world. So this was few of the visions that I said. In the social, there is one vision that I would love everybody to understand and write. This will change a lot of your relationships, in your social relationships, in family as well as in friends. The thing is, I would rather be happy than right. In our family and friends, we always try our best that log meri baat mane. I would rather be right. But when you try to be right, what you give up is your right to be happy. So would you rather be right or would you rather be happy? It's a choice that you need to make. Relationships will stay longer if you rather be happy. Okay? And now coming back to, so first, have a goal. Second, write it down. Third, read it morning and evening. A lot of people have written to me, and please keep writing. Yesterday, I was very, very happy to see more than 40-50 people writing to me, but they wrote only 3 good things about themselves. Now, why do you want to restrict yourself to 3 good things? If you find 50 good things about yourself, I want to ask people, how did you feel when you wrote something good about yourself? How was the feeling? How did your self-esteem feel? Why don't we make this a practice every morning? That उठेंगे 3 अपने बारे में 3 क्यों ज़्यादा more good things about ourselves. Not only will we write it down, we will also say it in front of the mirror while we are combing our hair. Wow, what beautiful hair. मैं तो रोज आईने के सामने खड़ा रह के बोलता हूँ, वाह यार प्रकाश. So many people, you guys are telling me, thank you very much that you like my voice. मैं रोज अपने आप को बोलता हूँ, वाह यार प्रकाश, क्या आवाज है यार तेरी. So yes, self-appreciation will take you a long way. About goals, people have also asked me, how big should our goals be? Now, I just shared with you a few of my goals. I have read somewhere, I don't know how much of it is true, but definitely I've seen my son do this. And this is that unless people laugh at your goals, they are not big enough. So don't take safe goals. Don't try to be very safe. Hoga ya nahi hoga, yes, doubt is something that will always be stopping you. हमेशा शक होगा यार, होगा कि नहीं होगा, मैं करूं या ना करूं. So on that, I will say, don't worry, take that leap of faith. थोड़ा तो अपने आप को stretch करो. थोड़ा वो like I call in all my personal sessions I teach one thing to all my students. जब तक वो पेट में गुड़गुड़ गुड़गुड़ नहीं होगी ना, तब तक कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं निकलेगा. हर परीक्षा से पहले, before every exam, most of you must have given college, school exams, and just before the exams, how's the feeling in the stomach, that gut feeling, good. And the minute you're out of it, wow, yeah, thank God I'm done with the 10th, thank God I'm done with the 12th, thank God now I'm a doctor, I'm a CA, whatever you have aspired to be. So keep that good in your stomach alive, because that is where your performance will improve. Trust me, even when I started doing this, what I am doing, अभी भी राइट नाउ ऑल्सो पेट में गुड़ थोड़ी होती है, बट आई एम श्योर वील ओवरकम दिस ईयर. एंड यू गो बैक इन योर लाइफ. हाउ डू यू स्टार्ट कॉन्वर्सिंग विद समबडी न्यू? समबडी आस्क्ड मी हाउ डू आई स्टार्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन विद अ स्ट्रेंजर. पेट में गुड़ होगी, ऑफ कोर्स. दैट फियर ऑफ बीइंग जज्ड, द फियर ऑफ बीइंग व्हाट इफ. But the more you will do it, the more you will become free, the more you will become open. So I hope in between of my learnings, I'm also sharing some good stories with you. So unless your dreams are big enough and people are laughing at you, then be sure this is fun. The journey, the good will be chalu. So that brings me to the fourth step. I will repeat: first, have it; second, write it; third, read it every day. Fourth step is pretty important. उससे गुड़ बहुत होगी. The fourth step is read it aloud. इसका मतलब है खुलकर के लोगों से शेयर करो कि पता है मैं क्या करने वाला हूं. ना बहुत गुड़ होगी. So I am not telling you go to the top of the terrace and start shouting. I'm not telling you tell everybody, but start telling people whom you believe are probably going to be your support system, like your family, like your close friends. Don't be scared. Invariably there will be people around you when they will tell you, अरे क्या हुआ, तू तो बोलता था मैं ये करने वाला हूं, तू तो बोलती थी कि मैं अपना चैनल चालू करूंगी, मेरे पास ये होगा XYZ, मैं ब्यूटी पार्लर खोलूंगी, मैं एयर हॉस्टेस बनूंगी. क्या हुआ? नहीं हुआ. तो क्या हुआ? लोग बोलेंगे. there are so many things that I have said I have not been able to do. Akhil does that, Malvika does that. I tell them go out and just declare it. Not declare it to the universe, declare it to your close members, people who you believe are valuable, people who think can add value. If you know somebody by their temperament कि ये आपका मजाक उड़ाएंगे, keep them at a distance. Remember, choose your people extremely carefully. There is a very, very powerful statement if you want to write it down. You become like the 7 people you spend your time with and around. You become like the 7 people you spend your time and be around. Identify in your life वो कौन से 7 लोग हैं जिनके साथ आप सबसे ज्यादा समय बिता रहे हो. Because आप चाहो या ना चाहो, whether you want it or not, they are going to have a very major impact in the way you live, in the way you dress, in the way you behave, in the way you speak, in the way, even in your habits. So if supposing you are living in the south of India and then eventually you turn up due to certain professional or personal reasons, you move to the north, you'll be surprised in 1 year your accent will become like the people who speak in the north. So people who come from the US, we always believe they are putting up an accent. That's not true. That's the way they are around the 7 people. So choose those people very, very carefully and go and declare it out to them. The fourth step is when you tell them, you are not only telling them, you're telling your subconscious as well as they will keep reminding you, so that उठ जा भाई, what happened? You had this goal, तू तो सोया पड़ा है. So then the fourth step is read it aloud, declare it, tell it, share it with people. Do not be in the safe zone. And as I told you, of course गुड़ होगी. और गुड़ क्या होगी? किस चीज की? The गुड़ is only about what if it doesn't happen. No, it's fine. And also some people are worried that they will create obstacles for me. Yes, like I said the other day, a few negative people may do it. But if people are spending a lot of their time pulling you down, also remember, number 1, you are above them. Number 2, they are wasting their life also because they are not fulfilling their goals. They are putting all that effort and bringing you down. How does it matter? So many people here also are attempting to bring even what I am doing down. Even Malvika. So what does that mean? It doesn't mean that they are doing something phenomenal. They are doing 2 things. First, it ascertains in their head that we are above them. And second, it also clears that they are not focused on their lives, they are working on our lives. So let them continue doing that. So that is the 7 things. If you look at life like a game, if you look at life like a game, and if you've made some choices with the 4 steps that I've taken you, and if you've written them down and you're reading it and now you're going to declare it, let me tell you this, which I read in a beautiful book. I will read it out from there. Life is like a game of chess, and you are playing it with the universe. After every move of yours, the universe makes the next move. Your moves are called choices, and the moves of the universe are called consequences. You will be tested, you will be challenged, you will be pushed to the brink. However, when you are found to play well, the universe wins by allowing you to win the game. So what this very simply means is that you make the choices, don't worry about the consequences. The universe is always testing you because it believes that you can pass the test. A 10th standard student will never get a chartered accountant's test paper. A 10th standard student will also not be given a 5th standard student's test paper. Similarly, the universe knows what are the tests that you can go through. It will push you a little further to believe कि ये कर पाएगा या नहीं कर पाएगा. So I am telling you, go ahead, make the right choices, take the right actions, speak the right words, be in your positivity. I was told yesterday that I said something, this is a great time to enjoy or celebrate. No, I'm sorry. It isn't a great time to celebrate or enjoy, but definitely it's a time to learn. So unlock your potentials. Thank you very much. Take these 4 steps. Go ahead today. After you've written down your goals and you have decided to read it every day, go ahead and share it with at least 7 people. Pata hai main kya karne wali hoon. This is what I have decided and this is how I'm going to do it. Please do not stop yourself, because if you're stopping yourself, it's your life, not mine. And another thing, before I come to your questions, I would like to... So when I keep looking down, there are these... I have so much to share and I have chosen so much little time. So I make points of what I'm going to share today. So 9 things that will help you focus on achieving whatever you want to achieve. I'll tell you all those. These are the steps, but these are some few pointers. Learning to say no. Very, very important. Stop comparing. Get inspired. Don't compare. Forgive people easily. Don't hold on to the past. Detach from the past. That is extremely important. Your fears come mostly from your memories or the stories you've heard other people tell you. So detach from the past. Stay away from the negative. I'm telling you, you guys are smart enough. From the quotes that I write, I believe, like yesterday I said, your energy introduces you even before you speak. And so many people of you have liked it because you guys understand what is positive and what is negative. If you identify something as negative, if it's leavable, please go ahead, leave it. If it's a part of your family, work on it. It's not difficult. You will overcome it. Please do not argue. Arguments are drainers of energy. Arguments always end up in more mess. And remember, there is nothing like perfection. Of course, being amazingly well is very, very good. Work on it. But don't always look for perfection and keep finding faults. Okay, what is not okay? Look at what went well. So even during my speeches, my shows, sessions, I know I'm doing a lot of mistakes, but I don't worry about what is not okay. I would rather believe what is it that is going well here. On that note, let me come to a few questions. The more questions you write to me, the more I will be able to address them directly, or I am trying my best. So on an average, I answer to close to 40-50 questions every day. On my DM, I get a lot of messages. So invariably, I am answering your questions. But if I miss out on someone, please allow me. I am always working on it, and I'll try and get better. Your views to girls wanting to stay alone after marriage. It's absolutely... Yes. Thank you. Hi, Kiran. That's nice you're here. When will you talk about respectful disobedience? That's a very sensitive topic. Yes, this is something I use very often in my conversations. It's called respectful disobedience. It's a very detailed subject. And I yet have to prepare you all because I don't want to get a lashback from your parents or your families. कि ये क्या गलत गलत चीज़ें सिखा रहे हो. So I'll have to prepare you before I reach that. But yes, this is one of my favorites topic. You respect your parents, respect your elders, respect your spouses and in-laws. Tell them you understand what they are telling you, but you probably cannot agree. Sisha, definitely, I will take your help whenever I need to. Drishti, good evening. Oh, thank you so much. I'm vibrant, she says. Please read out every section. I just did that, Aneja. You can watch it again. I would wait, sir, for your answer. Thanks for the question. Yes, I will answer you on a personal DM. Yeah, a vision board is as good as a gold note post. As we go ahead, I'm going to share more things about you and a lot of things will change. But at least start doing something. Even if you're taking baby steps in whatever you're learning from me, I'm telling you it's going to be great. Stories by Neha Goel. Hello. Okay, great. Guys, this is what I could do today. I've done with my 20 minutes. I am a sweet father-in-law to Malvika. It's the other way around. She's a great daughter to me. I'm extremely happy with her. I will get jinxed only if you allow it to. I didn't get that. What if I get jinxed? Jinxed matlab there's nothing like panoti yaar. There is nothing like ghost. There's nothing like panoti, black magic. Kisne jadoo kar diya. I am sorry. Come on, you're living in the 21st century. Come off it. Grow up. Don't listen to people who are telling you this. Okay, Anamika, thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, on that note, I'll call it a day off. First step, step 1, have a goal. Step 2, write it. Step 3, read it. Step 4, go and declare it, read it aloud. More coming your way tomorrow. Till then, bye-bye. Love you. Take care.